How do pit bulls behave around children they don't know? Are pit bulls really as aggressive as they are made out to be? The media often portrays them as dangerous and unpredictable dogs, but is this reputation justified, or is it simply a result of misinformation and bias? In this video, we will specifically explore how pit bulls behave around children they don't know, shedding light on the true nature of these misunderstood dogs. First and foremost, it is essential to understand that pit bulls are not an aggressive breed by nature. Aggression is primarily a result of learned behavior or poor socialization, rather than an inherent trait. It is unfair to make generalizations about all pit bulls based on isolated incidents or a few bad examples. Like any other dog breed, their behavior depends on various factors, including training, socialization, and individual personality. When it comes to pit bulls and children they don't know, it is important to remember that individual temperament plays a significant role. Some pit bulls may naturally be more wary of strangers, including children, while others may be friendlier and more receptive. It is crucial to assess each dog individually rather than assuming they will all act the same. Socialization is key when it comes to how pit bulls behave around children they don't know. Early and positive experiences with children can help mold a dog's behavior and make them more comfortable in their presence. Proper socialization involves exposing the dog to different environments, people, and situations, allowing them to become familiar and confident around children and adults alike. The responsibility lies with the dog owner to ensure that their pit bull is properly socialized. This involves introducing them to children at a young age and teaching them how to interact appropriately. It is essential to supervise any interaction between a pit bull and a child, especially if the dog and child are unfamiliar with each other. This ensures safety for both parties involved and helps avoid unnecessary incidents or misunderstandings. It is also crucial to teach children how to behave around dogs in general, including pit bulls. Children should be educated on how to approach a dog, how to pet them gently, and when to give the dog space. Understanding a dog's body language can also be a valuable tool in preventing any potential issues. By teaching children to respect a dog's boundaries and to ask for permission before approaching, the likelihood of positive interactions significantly increases. Additionally, training is an essential aspect of how pit bulls behave around children they don't know. A properly trained pit bull is more likely to exhibit desirable behaviors and respond to commands. Basic obedience training should be a priority for any dog owner, regardless of the breed. Teaching a dog basic commands such as sit, stay, and leave it helps establish boundaries and control, making them better equipped to interact safely with children. While proper socialization and training greatly influence a pit bull's behavior, it is essential to remember that every dog is an individual. Some pit bulls may naturally have a higher prey drive or be more reserved around strangers, including children. However, these traits can be managed and modified through early socialization, training, and responsible ownership. It is also important to note that any dog, regardless of breed, should be supervised when interacting with children they don't know. Safety measures such as separating the dog and child through gates or leashes can help prevent unwanted incidents. It is the responsibility of both the dog owner and the parents or guardians to ensure the safety of both the child and the dog. In conclusion, the perception that pit bulls are inherently aggressive and dangerous around children they don't know is unfounded. Like any other dog breed, their behavior is influenced by various factors, including training, socialization, and individual temperament. Proper socialization, training, and responsible ownership are key to fostering positive interactions between pit bulls and children they don't know. By challenging stereotypes and promoting education, we can help change the narrative surrounding these misunderstood dogs and create a safer and more inclusive environment for all.